Alright, next note we're going to do is going to be the buzz cluck and the Shoreman Honk. Basically, what the buzz cluck is the short reed equivalent to what is the Shoreman Honk. Now, Shoreman Honk is a note that was real popular back when the Eastern Shoreman was in its heyday, and it sounded a little something like this. And it's just, you get that buzz and then the cluck, and it's just, and you're putting air through the call, and it's the same on the Shoreman as it is on the short reed, except it's a little different presentation. But basically, you're letting the reed break over, or you're letting the reed buzz but not break over, and then you're breaking it over at the end, and it's just. And then through a short reed, it's basically the same. You're getting that buzz at the beginning, and then you're breaking it over at the end. And basically what I'm doing through the back of the call is I'm letting the tip of my tongue drop down and drop down to the bottom to get that buzz, letting the reed vibrate but not break over, and then flipping my tongue to the top of my mouth to get it to break over. It says, and what you're going to want to work on is you're going to work on controlling that buzz, and then breaking it over with a cluck at the end. And I like to mix it in when I'm hunting. Mix it into my clucks. It's real hard to mix into your fast stuff because it's a harder note to control. Wade Walling does it in his contest routine, and it sounds awesome, but real hard note to control in the middle of your fast stuff. But you mix it in a little bit with your clucks, something like this. That's your buzz cluck.